potassium and magnesium. Now, potassium is really good for the functional integrity of the brain. The brain uses more potassium than any other organ in the body. And cucumbers are a very good source of that potassium. It's also high in magnesium, which is a good muscle relaxer, and it helps with inflammation issues. Hello, this is Dr. Jim, and welcome today to our IIOM YouTube channel. And we have a really good topic for you today. Today, we're going to be diving into the wonderful world of healing summer foods. And so while we have this summer weather, let's take advantage of this opportunity to get in these healing foods. And so the first one I want to talk about, one of my favorites, is watermelon. Watermelon is really a delicious fruit. It's incredibly refreshing. It's a high water content food. So it's over 90% water, actually. It's over and has lots of vitamin A, vitamin C, and a lot of antioxidants. It also has lycopene in it, and it's really good for the kidneys, for the whole urinary tract, the bladder, kidneys. It clears out that whole channel really, really well. And interestingly enough, it actually is a really good preventive for kidney stones. Kidney stones is usually due to dehydration, foods that you're taking, supplements that you're taking, excess caffeine, things like that can cause kidney stones. And so watermelon really is a good preventive for that. And if you have a little bit of pain in the kidneys, you might be developing a kidney stone. So watermelon is one of those really good foods, healing foods, especially for the kidneys, the liver, that whole liver, bladder, kidney channel. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is berries. Berries are really, really powerful healing food. It's loaded with antioxidants, and they're really good for inflammation. So strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. Berries are really a powerful food, and you can eat it whole, or you can actually juice them. And you can easily make smoothies with them as well. Really, really good food. It also supports the brain. So really good, powerful food that you should be taking advantage of during these summer months. Now, cucumbers is another fantastic summer food. It also is incredibly hydrating. And the good thing about cucumbers is in addition to a broad spectrum of minerals, is really high in vitamin K and vitamin C. And so if you have a tendency towards the blood being too thin, that cucumber will help that quite a bit. And two of the really good minerals that are in cucumbers is potassium and magnesium. Now, potassium is really good for the functional integrity of the brain. The brain uses more potassium than any other organ in the body. And cucumbers are a very good source of that potassium. It's also high in magnesium, which is a good muscle relaxer, and it helps with inflammation issues. Okay, so the next food I want to talk about is green leafy vegetables. And there's a broad spectrum of those green leafy vegetables. You're probably familiar with spinach and kale, but arugula, chard, all of those green leafy vegetables, not only are they a good source of vitamins and minerals, a rich variety of vitamins and minerals, it's also very high in fiber, which brushes out that whole intestinal tract and gives you good bowel motility. So it's an excellent detoxifying food for healthy digestion and for the detoxification of the whole gastrointestinal tract. Okay, the next one I want to talk about is tomatoes. Tomatoes are abundant this time of the year and is really a rich source of lycopene, which helps with a number of things, but reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues, certain cancers, and it's really good for the prostate area. And and which is that part of that kind of complements some of the things that we talked about earlier, in particular watermelon, which works on that whole not the gastrointestinal, but the urinary bladder, kidney function, and lycopene supports that whole prostate function, etc. Okay, another really good summer food is peppers, and all kinds of peppers: red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers, orange peppers. Get as many different colors as you can, and mix it up. People are very familiar with the green peppers, but the full spectrum is really what helps, because those different colors represent different mixes and concentration of very important minerals like the potassium and the other 84 minerals. Also folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin C. So peppers are very rich, and they're a perfect addition to salads. You can actually put it in stir fries and things of that nature. And I want to round this up with a couple of herbs that are really powerful. Basil and mint. These herbs are incredible for enhancing flavors for your dishes. Again, they can be added to stir fries. It can be added to soups, salads, a whole host of different meals. And you don't need a whole lot, but they're really good in reducing stress. And mint is particularly important and helpful in alleviating headaches and support of the digestive system. So these are some examples of a very wide variety of fresh, healing foods that you can incorporate into your diet during the summer for a really great fruit-delicious and veg-delicious addition to your diet during these summer months, which will really help boost your immune system and promote overall health and vitality. So hopefully you find this to be helpful. I want to thank you for joining us today. If you found this video to be helpful, if you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our IIOM YouTube channel so that we can continue to provide you a rich variety of helpful tips for actually adding 15 to 30 productive years to your life for outrageous health and vitality. So stay healthy, enjoy the summer, and until the next time, bye for now, and God bless.